In today's video, I will walk you through how to quickly delete a Replit app. If you no longer need a deployed app, you can remove it directly from your home dashboard in just a few clicks. The process is simple and takes place from the Apps section, so you don't need to search through individual projects to find what you're looking for. Start on your home dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation panel. In that panel, find the Apps section and click it. This opens a list of your existing apps, allowing you to view all of your deployed apps in one place. As you look through the list, you'll see the names assigned to each app. This makes it easier to identify the one you want to remove. Take a moment to locate the specific app you no longer need before moving on to the next step. Once you've found the correct app, look to the right of its name. You'll see a three-dot icon. This is the More Actions menu for that app. Click the three dots to open the available options. Before selecting anything from the menu, quickly confirm that you've chosen the correct app, especially if you have several apps with similar names. Taking a brief moment to verify the app helps make sure you're deleting the intended deployment. After confirming you've selected the right app, choose Delete from the menu. This is the option that removes the app from your apps list. Depending on the version of the Replit interface you're using, you may see a confirmation prompt before the deletion is completed. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply confirm the action. Once confirmed, the deletion will be finalized, and the app will be removed from your apps list shortly afterward. After the app has been deleted, it will no longer appear in the apps panel, and it will no longer be available as a deployment. This makes it easier to keep your list of deployed apps organized by showing only the ones you still want to keep. It's also important to note that deleting the app removes the deployment itself. Your underlying code or project, often referred to as a REPL, remains intact unless you choose to remove it separately. This means you can remove the deployment while keeping the project available for later if needed. To quickly recap, open the Apps section from your home dashboard. Locate the app you want to remove, click the three-dot menu beside it, select Delete, and confirm the deletion if prompted. After that, the app is removed from your deployments, while your project remains available unless you decide to delete it separately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.